Okay, so another new feature that you will see in the new release of Frenetic Online will be this mechanical section. So to go in the mechanical section in the simulator, you just go to the mechanical tab, like any other tab in the simulator. And basically, we decided to implement this new screen, uh, which is oriented for users that want to go a step farther on their design and engaging themselves in the manufacturing process. So this way, you have different options to define some constructive and mechanical parameters. For instance, here in the top part, you're able to define the name and even add some pictures with the bobbin that you want to use. So this part is optional, and if you want to use the standard bobbin, let's say that you can leave this part in blank. Then we have several checkbox here, which we can select if we want to add some standard requirements, and as well as the thermal class for the materials. Then finally, we have this schematic here showing us basically which of our windings we want to be going to a pin, or which one of them we want them to remain flying. So we've got several options here, like defining the polarity of the windings. Also with the checkboxes, we can, let's say, define the flying wires, which also will allow me to select, as you can see, a name for the output, also define the extra length, and finally define the connection with some defined options for the metric. Basically, I can do this for any of the windings, and I will have several options, as you can see. This mechanical part, once we run the simulation and once we update this part, will be, of course, included in the datasheet with the mechanical schematic and also the image for the bobbin that we uploaded previously.